Okay, we're under the seat. Well, we're under where the seat mounts at. And we're going to zoom in to that little thing sticking up right there. And try to get it in the frame good so you can see it. That had this hose on top of it. And that is the vent for the rear, and the hydraulic fluid and everything vents through this hose. It was off and laying like that under here, and so, you know, that needs to be on there. It's split right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this razor blade and I'm going to cut this off. Across here, and then I'm going to stick it on here like this. Get it back on there all the way down where it goes. Okay, and it should still vent fine, no problem. So anyway, that might be something you might want to check on your older Kubotas. We'll probably have that underneath there. I'm telling you, look at that. I mean, that's like night and day, man. This is so much better. Oh yeah. I mean, can you believe that? That's a hell of a difference. And I've actually got it set a little loose. I could tighten it up a little bit. You know. That's a half a turn. I could probably go a little more actually. But man, this will make a big difference riding, because before the thing was so stiff, you hit a bump and it really, you know, you felt it through your whole body. There was nothing there to absorb it. And man, I'm glad I did what I did. It was a lot of work, a lot of effort, but I think it was worth it.